Oh yeah.
So, I would like to tell you about how to touch the tiger a little bit for make sure and safety for everyone. When you touch the tiger, don't touch the tiger's head, face, or front paws. Touch them just the back side, tummy, tail, and back paws. Firmly and full hand, not tickle.
No.
Approach
Oh
the
no.
tiger
No thing.
No tickle.
No.
only
Yeah.
touch firm.
Okay.
Yes. Approach the tiger from behind. I recommend you bring only small camera and your phone because of this one the tiger they think they're gonna play think they toy.
Oh.
It's dangerous for everyone.
Oh. Maybe
So I
just put it
recommend
down.
you- Oh, cannot put it down. Yeah.
Okay.
Because for the medium size they more active, they have powerful. I
Okay.
recommend only the small one.
Just take it off the top.
Or do you want to go put it in the water? Oh.
So we have someone to go inside with you. Wait a moment.
Okay. I'll take it off.
That one tiger was kind of like walking and prowling.
There you go.
You put that in your pocket? Very good. Is that a camera stand? Look how pretty they are.
If I put it there, you get stuff to remind me.
So after you do the medium one, the next one is the giant down there.
Okay.
Yes.
And then just put this over
Yeah, you
here.
can leave here.
That's okay.
You can leave here.
Okay.
For the medium size, they are around 1 year old.
Oh, okay.
But really big guys. Okay, come, welcome.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Where you from?
USA.
Oh, new tattoo.
New.
Tiger.
Yeah. Yeah.
By the tail.
Ooh, that was a tiny ground.
You can move back a little. Yeah, by the tail. Ah, lean on the tiger. Can you take a photo from here? Okay, tiger, don't eat her. You that side.
Don't come at me and like scare a tiger.
Okay.
Ow, big bone.
Thank you. Is it video? We can get pictures from that?
Can you some with the phone?
Yeah.
I'd probably need your camera.
Photo with your phone.
You want my phone?
Yeah. You're on video right now. Yeah.
You want to lie down on the tiger? You move back a little bit. Over here. Put your face on here. Yes. Put your face on. Give them a hug. Oh. ฮะกูก็ไม่เห็นมึงเหมือนกัน
แมวมันขาว
มึงไปอยู่ไหนวะ
ยืนอยู่หน้าบิ๊กนี่
ฮะ
ยืนอยู่หน้าบิ๊กนี่
ต้องบอลไปเรียกกูในนู่นมันบอกว่ามีเนี่ย
ใช่
ไอ้ก้อยอ่ะมันไปเรียกกูอ่ะมีเดียมหนึ่งกุ๊กค่ะ
กูยืนอยู่นี่กูเห็นลูกค้าทั้งคน
แต่กูไม่เห็นมึง
Sure.
บ้าบอ
แบบ
ยีน่ายีน่ามีโมเดล
ไม้เสียบมันเนาะ มาเชียร์กันเนาะมาเชียร์ปะกู
นี่
It doesn't want to go in.
Đi. Đéo.
คนเย็นแล้วเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเร็ว
He doesn't want to go in there.
Yeah, did you want to go in there?
Stubborn.
Oh.
Talks a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put it in there. Hold up. เดี๋ยวมาเปิดกันแต่ดูตูดดูดันดูหน้าปิ๊กดิเดี๋ยวมันไปเรียกคนดูนู้นเลยนะ You want to picture together? Okay. เด็กชอบเด็กชอบ My sister coming.
Oh. Oh, she loves him.
Hi baby.